Emergency fishing survival kit number 10, open only for actual emergency use. This is like a very vintage. I never seen one of these before. 1943. I seen survival kits like that, but never seen it in a can. So can is much bigger than usual can. There you go. It's already been opened, but luckily somebody put it back into the can where it came from. So you open the can and then you have it here, a little survival fishing kit complete. So let's unfold it. Let's see what we got here. Pretty big. Whoa, check this out. There's a hook over here. Yeah, doesn't look like it's ever been used. Everything in it. And check this out. There's the instructions from 1943. This is like time capsule. That's cool. Okay, let's look one at a time, see what we got. So you have a line. Wow, with a hook, one hook. As you can see, any kind of situation type of fishing. There's a much thicker line, and as you can see, the fishing line is totally different. Wow. And look, there's a sinker with a big hook. Look at that cork. That's funny. So that's a really big hook. Check this out. And they're all supposed to be, I think, in the cork. You know what? I think this is just random fishing hooks, different sizes. The cork has fell apart a little bit, getting old. Next, what we got here? Wow, check this out. There's real feathers over here. That's cool. And yeah, another fishing hook over here with a line, much bigger one. Okay, keep on going. I see a big sinker over here with a big hook. Interesting fishing line, but also it has a metal on all of this fishing hooks, so it doesn't bite it off, I guess. So it's like probably in the ocean, something big. Oh, wow, this one really stuck a little bit. It's like glue. Okay, there you go. Oh, you know what? Another big fishing hook, a really big fishing hook with the real feathers. That's crazy. Okay, what else is in here? Oh wow, this one is have to be separated. It's like a harpoon in a sense. Pretty interesting. Goes into here. Oh, there's something else in here. Ah, this is harpoon, supposed to be into here. Fishing weight. What is this right here? I'm curious. Oh, you know what? This is a fishing net, looks like. Some of these things are so hard to pull out. Oh, there you go. Fighting with myself. Yeah, this right here unfolds and you grab the fish with this stuff. There you go. And you got a fishing net. Wow, that's cool. You see? And I'll fold it back up. So you have a little bit of everything. That's pretty crazy. Okay, next. Looks like a tiny little fishing knife. Look at that handle. I'm not sure what the line is for. I guess so you don't drop it. That's a tiny little fishing knife, I guess. Oh, does it say anything? Imperial Proof RA. That's a brand. And the last one, turbo hook, so we're called, with the weight on it. That's it. A lot of cool stuff, that's for sure. And then you just close it off and just roll it up. There is a stains, you can tie it together. We're not gonna do that. You see there's stains? I guess you can tie it together whenever you even wrap it up. That's cool. Quite nice, unique 1943 survival fishing kit. Have you guys seen anything like that inside the can?